let's just put it this way, unimpeachable sources. Unimpeachable sources. The same sources that also confirmed to me last year that there was a communication going on between the Philippine government and the ICC. Now, again, we didn't get the exact date of the warrant of arrest right, but we got it right that papunta na tayo dyan sa exciting part na yan, diba? At exactly nangyari yan. Inuna pa si Digong kaysa kay Bator, yung mga 6 or 7 others na chief executors, basically, both literally and figuratively, no, of Duterte's so-called drug war. So, base dun sa mga conversation natin, dun sa mga unimpeachable sources natin, guys, mukhang game over na talaga. Game over na talaga. Mukhang malabo na talaga. It looks like Tatay Digong will be spending the rest of his life here. The word airtight was not used in terms of yung mga kaso. Pero sobrang mabigat talaga daw yung mga kaso in the sense that ang dami na nag-gather. Yung prosecutor's office, sobrang ano daw, sobrang solid yung ginather nilang information. So that's why actually medyo matagal-tagal yung pre-trial pa lang. So kumbaga first appearance lang yung nangyari the other week na nagkalat-kalat lang si Medaldi at nag-appeal to emotion pa siya as if naman that will work in a real court of law. So the term airtight was not used, but for me parang ganun na rin. Yung issue ng jurisdiction mukhang malabo talaga as far as the understanding of the court here is concerned. Having said that, yun nga, very confident yung mga iba dito na mukhang malabo na talaga. In fact, I'll tell you what, sa sobrang confident na malabo na talaga, eto again, isang source to ang sabi sa akin, baka mag-move on na rin daw yung abogado ngayon. Hindi daw sila magtataka if eventually si Kaufman din. Anyway, going back to this. Ang basa din ng mga ibang eksperto ay parang, hindi na eksperto, actually ako na talaga may inside information. Ang basa din ng iba dyan is, sa sobrang mahirap yung kaso na ito, dahil talagang mukhang airtight, baka nga daw si Kaufman ay mag-move on na daw. Hindi daw sila magtataka na hindi lang si Harry Roque. By the way, alam ko na saan si Harry Roque ngayon. I was able